Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a gift box poppet.
Let's start drawing.
To start, I'm going to draw the shape of the gift box very quickly, like this. Then I draw a beautiful ribbon at the top. How beautiful! Now I'm going to divide the whole with lines like this. And I draw small circles around. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with the color red here, like this. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, purple, and pink, fuchsia. Let's start again with red, orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, purple, and pink, fuchsia. Amazing!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.